Once you have finished working on your document, you will undoubtedly want to share it. But before you do, you may wish to see a preview of it without any guides or frame boxes obscuring the view. Move over to your tool palette and hold your finger down on the preview button at the bottom of the tool palette. Select the preview mode. If you're happy with your document, it's now time to share it with people. Adobe give you options to publish your work online, but the easiest option is to create a PDF. Select File from the top menu and select Adobe PDF Presets. Here you can create a high quality print PDF or a press quality PDF, great for printing. But if you wish to share your PDF online or simply view it on screen, select smallest file size. Set a name and location for your document and click Save. If you wish to display your pages in the PDF as spreads, like you see them in InDesign, click the Spreads button. And also make sure View PDF after exporting is also clicked. Then click Export. You'll see in the top left hand corner it publishing the PDF. Your new document is now ready. Well done! You have all the skills to create a basic brochure.